Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video, just like every day, we're gonna go over my portfolio, and as you guys can see, we closed pretty flat. We're actually up for the day, but I don't think it really counts. Now, before I get into the video, I want to thank all of you that commented on yesterday's video. It was really hard for me to post that video, but I did. Even though I posted it late, I did post it because I promised you guys that I would always be transparent and show you the ups and downs of my portfolio. So once again, thank you so much for that. It meant a lot and it really touched me deeply. Now let's quickly cover what my day looked like. So as you guys can see, I have buying power of $1,735. We started the day off at $129,000 and we ended the day at almost $132,000 for this Friday. Now it is the end of the week. The market did close. Quadruple witching was not a big event. It wasn't as big as what everybody was anticipating. Stocks really didn't move that much. At least my portfolio, as you guys can see, didn't move that much. So it was not something that was really concerning for me, I guess, in a way. Now, of course, some of my options did take a hit, but in general, the portfolio kind of held a flattish sentiment today, and that's kind of how everybody else's portfolio should look like today. Now, before I jump into the options and discuss them, remember to smash that like button, hit the like button, do whatever you need to do to make that like button blue because it does help me with the YouTube algorithm, and we are trying to grow this amazing YouTube community that we have built. We're trying to go for 10,000 subs strong. Okay, now let's quickly go over the options. So time, we are losing $970, which was a little more than we were losing yesterday. But like I said, sentiment was a little negative, almost flattish negative. Some of the stocks in the portfolio did take a hit, and one of them was time. Clove closing at minus $1,800. Apple, biggest loser for the day, closing at minus $9,500, which is a big deal, guys. Fubu closing at minus 25, Neo closing at 1900, which was very similar to yesterday. PLTR closing at minus $730, and here's the kicker, guys. ExxonMobil in the negative, but what you will notice is that I did add some calls here. I thought they were really cheap, so I did average down and buy 2 more calls of ExxonMobil, I believe at $4. And actually, let me show you guys where I bought these options. So I did try multiple times to get into them, so you are going to see a couple of cancels. But this is where I bought these options, $3.55 and $3.65, which I thought was absolutely crazy cheap. Now, according to a lot of people, next week is going to be a red week as well, and that is when we may see things bottom out. So if we do, and if that does happen, I am going to continue to buy XOM calls. I want to get to probably around 10 to 15 calls of XOM because I think it's going to be a moneymaker in 2021. So we're going to hold on to those and see how things go. Now that we're done with the options, let's quickly go over the stocks. Stocks, lots of things closing in the green, but we are still red in the portfolio. So I'm going to go over them one by one really quickly. Snow in the red, Nokia in the red, Neo in the red, BNGO in the red, NNDM in the red. So now BNGO and NNDM, you guys need to realize that we did actually sell these at a higher high, and then we ended up buying them cheaper, and they still ended up going down because this was a 7-layered dip from a couple of weeks ago. So it's been pretty crazy. We are down even though we bought in the dips, but hopefully after next week things will start to cool off and we are going to come back in the green. Lightbridge looking good. PLTR negative, negative, negative. We are actually going to be buying PLTR aggressively next week. Fubu in the red, ACB in the red, Piton in the red, XL in the red as well, MLND and NAK both in the red, Clove in the red. SRPT could not hold those gains. So we actually went in the green just for a split second when the market opened today on SRPT, but then ended up in the red as well. TMDI in the red, did see intraday highs, however. Very good highs, I must admit. PCTI, TRIT, also in the red, VGAC heavily in the red, Sana in the red, WWR in the red, NGAC in the red, Pace in the red once again, EXPI in the red. Now, a couple of things that I do want to talk to you guys. Oh, here's Tesla. Tesla, we are in the red. Tesla failing to hold support at multiple points, just like Apple. and we are starting to get concerned. Now, I did tell you guys yesterday that Tesla was going to be something of a concern for us if it couldn't hold that 650 mark. It was unable to hold that level of support multiple times today, which was kind of scary. And I will be honest, I think the next level down for Tesla could be in the high 500s. You heard it here first. I said it. The next level of support for Tesla could be in the high 500s, like 590, 580. That's probably where the next level of support for Tesla is. GRWG in the red, ITRM in the red, AGTC in the red, GHVI in the red, and SPR in the red. Now, all of these, you'll notice that the tickers are green, which means they did close higher than they opened, just like my portfolio, but they are still in the red as far as this portfolio is concerned. CleanSpark in the red, but it is very close to breaking even. The reason CleanSpark has a negative $300 on it, or almost $300 on it, is because we do have 200 shares of CleanSpark. The ARK portfolios are all in the green for the day, but red in this portfolio, except for ARKQ, which was red for the day. We are going to be adding more ARK into this portfolio for long-term holds, because I do think that these are all 5x in 5 years, or maybe even more than 5x in 5 years for these investments. So we're going to hold on to those. Hertz, we don't really care about. It's going to get out of this portfolio once we break even. So I'm not really going to cover Hertz right now. BTC, $11,971 in the green. Ethereum, $8,727 in the green. Now, with that being said, as you guys can see, my portfolio is currently at $131,000, which is nowhere close to our all-time high, which was at, I believe, $175,000, which you can't see here, but you can over here. And I don't know why it doesn't show the 175 for whatever reason, but I'm confident that we had hit 175. You can fact check me. Just like yesterday's video, you can fact check me, go back a couple of videos, and you'll see the $175,000 number in the portfolio. Anyways, we are recovering. It's going to be painful. I think next week there's going to be a little more pain, and then we're going to start seeing a recovery. So which means next week, I think there's going to be a lot of volume in the market where people allocate cash, because a lot of people are actually sitting on cash, including me, not in this portfolio, but I do have cash in the bank that I do want to deploy, and I have not transferred that just yet into the Robinhood account because I am not ready to make purchases. And I know that if I move the cash in, I'm going to end up spending it, which is why I'm keeping the cash in the bank, but I do plan on moving it in when I see an opportunity. And that's actually going to be an opportunity not only for me, but an opportunity for you guys as well to start investing, because that is when we really want to dump money into the market so that we can utilize and get maximum ROI for our cash, because that is what we're looking to do if we're going to get to $1 million this year. Now, I quickly wanted to go over my strategy moving forward and how I plan on investing. So I've been doing a lot of day trading, and I wanted to show you guys that I've not been posting that for the members just because I move in and out of my portfolio very quickly. I move in and out of positions fairly quickly. So like, for example, you're going to see I have a lot of positions. You guys can, by the way, pause and take a look at each one of my positions here. I'm moving in and out of stocks fairly quickly, and these are all today. So I'm unable to post all of this for my members. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm probably going to end up live streaming my trade so that I can stream and trade with you guys live every single day. Now, that's something I'm working on. I don't have enough space where I'm at right now, so I will need like a private space or my own space to be able to do that. So give me a couple of weeks. Let me figure it out. I am going to be live streaming my trades every single day for you guys so that we can make some money while we wait for this portfolio to grow as well. Because, you know, we need to have long-term growth strategies. We also need to have short-term day trading ability to be able to move in and out of positions as they gain momentum. That's something that's very important, and those are strategies that are going to help us get to our $1 million this year. All right, guys, quickly wanted to just say that once again, if you haven't already smashed that like button, smash the like button. If you guys want to become a member and support this channel, hit that join button. It's right next to the subscribe button. It would mean a lot, and it would help me out, and it would make this community even better. I would love to have all of you on the live streams as members. It would be absolutely amazing. Happy Friday, everyone. I'm going to be doing a live stream tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I do have a little bit of a surprise. I'm going to be bringing a guest on, and we are going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. Once again, finally a giveaway. It's been a while since we did our last giveaway, but I am feeling good because I do think we're going to end up making a lot of money together. So it's giveaway time tomorrow. It's going to be on a live stream. I'm going to give you more details in the community tab. And just like that, my name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.